Am I the only one that didn't know drones could revolutionize solar panel inspections? Hi, we're Team Aero AI. As solar energy adoption soars, keeping panels at peak efficiency is critical. But traditional inspections? Slow, expensive, and risky. That's why we built an AI-powered, drone-based inspection system that transforms maintenance. First, our autonomous drone flies a pre-planned route, capturing high-resolution video of every panel. Next, onboard AI instantly flags physical anomalies: cracks, dust, shading, damage, corrosion. Within seconds, you get a precise fault map. Upload footage to our dashboard and see exactly which panels need repairs, plus transparent cost estimates. Automated AI-driven assessments/labor costs eliminate safety hazards and speed up inspections by an order of magnitude. Real-time insights let you catch issues early, enabling proactive maintenance. Our system scales effortlessly, from dozen rooftop modules to utility-scale farms. Lower risks, faster turnarounds, and maximized output. Ready to upgrade your solar maintenance? Team Aero AI delivers smarter inspections today and for the future.
Lead a walkthrough with our interface. Welcome to Aero AI. First, on our homepage we click Get Started, which brings us to Upload Media. Just drop in your drone video here and wait for a second. Next, our two AI models, YOLOV 8 for panel counting and YOLOV 5 for anomaly detection. Scan every frame to classify panels as normal, dusty, or cracked. You'll immediately see those results in combined results, where each panel's status is highlighted. Then head to the dashboard, where we tally total panels and break down how many fell into each category, complete with easy-to-read charts. Finally, in cost estimation, we calculate repair and cleaning costs for each anomaly across monocrystalline, polycrystalline, and thin film panels, giving you a transparent, itemized total. Aero AI turns complex inspections into a seamless single click, saving time, cutting costs, and keeping your farm operating at peak performance.